Okay, we have the 2-in-1 battery-powered chainsaw and pole saw from Amazon. I paid, I think it was $79 for this. So let's see what we got. Okay. Have a battery, 21-volt battery, lithium. Have a second battery. We have a charger, which is a it doesn't say what the wattage is on it. Oh, 1 amp. So I don't think it's going to be a very fast charger. Got some gloves, some safety glasses. Got a brush and a screwdriver and a little bottle for chain oil. And we've got a spare chain. Got a shoulder strap. An instruction manual. And there is the chainsaw. It's a 6-inch saw blade. And here is the pole saw attachment. Which does extend. Oh, it's spring loaded. And that one doesn't lock down. I guess you have to adjust it a little bit. Yeah, that did it. And the head is adjustable. So that's pretty cool. I don't know if these batteries have any charge in them. One thing I don't like, because I'm a lefty, you have to push this button down before you can pull the trigger. If you're right-handed, you could do that with your thumb, pull the trigger. If you're a lefty, it's not so easy. If you want to use it with the pole saw, you just put the unit there. Put the battery down here. And then should be the same You know, I read on the reviews, one of the complaints people said about this was they thought it was really, really noisy. And I really don't think so. So that's what it is. I'll put some chain oil in it and I'll charge the battery, and then we'll try it out and see how it does. Okay, I got some chain oil in it and I charged up the battery, which actually only took about an hour. I don't know if it was fully discharged when I got it or not, but charged up faster than I thought it would. So first I'm going to try out the pole saw. Hi. Yeah. Well, I gotta say, that works great. I am impressed. You can see that went through some pretty thick limbs there. That was just about as wide as my blade. I am impressed. And this thing goes through normal sized branches like butter. I gotta say, I am very, very impressed with this.